Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to log out on Domino's pizza app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to log out on Domino's pizza app. We'll start by opening up your Domino's pizza app. Once you open up your Domino pizza app, you can arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the upper left hand corner, we're gonna see the three white lines. Make sure you tap on those. Then you can arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, make sure you tap where it says Welcome to Domino's. You're gonna see your name there and the profile. Make sure you tap on that. Then you can arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, look all on the bottom where it says Sign Out. Make sure you tap on that. As you guys can see right there, tap on where it says Sign Up, all on the bottom. And that's how you log out on Domino's Pizza app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial as you can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.